Louisiana won't reject your LLC if you mess this up. They'll approve it and block you after you start operating. Same LLC, different game. I'm Patrick from Biz Builders, and if you're starting an LLC in Louisiana in 2026 without a lawyer, you need to understand this before you file anything, because Louisiana looks like every other state on paper. Articles of organization, registered agent, EIN. But the way Louisiana actually runs LLCs is not the same. And that's where people lose time and money. Why Louisiana confuses people. Most states follow a simple flow. Form the LLC, register taxes, operate, file annual reports. Louisiana doesn't. Louisiana spreads control across multiple systems, and they don't sync cleanly. So even if your LLC is approved, your business may still not be functionally active, and the state doesn't clearly tell you that. Where people get stuck, the reality check. Here's what I see happen all the time. LLC gets approved. Owner starts operating, bank account gets delayed. Tax registration causes friction. Someone says, "You're not fully set up yet." And the frustrating part? You didn't do anything wrong. You just followed the normal LLC playbook, which doesn't work in Louisiana. Louisiana doesn't punish mistakes fast. It punishes mis-sequencing. What you actually need to do, compressed. Here's the correct order, short and clean. 1. Choose your business name. 2. Appoint a registered agent with a physical Louisiana address. 3. File your articles of organization. 4. Get your EIN. 5. Immediately handle Louisiana tax registration. 6. Prepare for annual compliance. 7. Then open your business bank account. Miss step 5 in an or delay it, and everything slows down. That's the different game. Why this costs people time and money. Louisiana doesn't stop you up front. It lets problems surface later. So instead of quick setup, clean launch, you get delays, extra paperwork, back and forth with agencies, lost momentum. Fixing this later always costs more than doing it right once. Why I recommend help for Louisiana. That's why I recommend tailored brands for Louisiana. Not because Louisiana is hard, but because Louisiana is unforgiving if you guess. They handle registered agent filing, EIN tax, setup guidance, compliance reminders, banking prep. Most importantly, they get the order right. Cost, keeping it real. If you want this handled properly without guessing, I've put the link in the description. Through our partnership, you can start for $0 plus Louisiana state fees. Same cost as DIY, less friction. No, why am I stuck phase. Final line. If you treat Louisiana like every other state, it will punish you quietly. Use the link, set up your Louisiana LLC the right way, and play the game by Louisiana's rules, not everyone else's. I'll see you in the next one.